Look at the size of this thing. I can't even talk. 49 inches. Yes, open this baby up. I mean, the size of this thing, it's massive. I set it up on my bed right now because I have nowhere else that's safe enough. I'm gonna be turning it back, put the screws on, then put it on this desk. Stay tuned. So this is what we got in the box. Power cable, display port. I don't know if my camera can focus right now. Display port, HDMI. Oh, how awesome they included this in the box. USB-C to USB-C. This will come in handy for sure. So you're supposed to do this, put the leg or the stand in the back of it and then pull it out. But I don't read the instructions, so I guess that's what I get for not reading instructions. Wait. So these are the first couple steps. So why would I put the cables if it's not out of the box? The number one should be this one. That's how I pull it out of the box. You know what? I'll just do it. I will just do it. Oh, over. I don't usually do unboxing videos because there is no meaning, but this one I think it deserves of its own video, I think. Now there are 3 screws. You gotta put leg over here to attach it to the stand. Now, because I have the same type of monitor, Alienware Ultrawide, I'll show them to you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen it in my video. Basically want to put the cables before you put the cover on, because if you don't, you might break the cover trying to put the cables in and you have to take them out every time in order to put new cables in. So the power one is for sure. Any other cable, do it before you put the cover on. Especially on a monitor of this size, I mean, you have to do it before you put the cover on. You gotta move your whole room setup in order to take off the cover on that. If I have a messy desk like mine, I'm gonna put the HDMI in for now. I'm gonna be using it on my Mac. Don't need any other cables to be attached. It's nice and easy. Out ports of this thing. Get it to focus. It has a HDMI, display port, and a USB-C. That's pretty much it. My camera is being a B-word right now and it's not wanting to record. Focus. I mean. Alright, let's set it up. God, it's so heavy. Mamma mia. Wow. Just connected my Mac. Just look at the size, bro. There are some specs. I don't know if you guys know about them or not. I don't know about them either, but I'm gonna read them up to you so you guys can see them. But there's one feature that got me to choose this over the Dell Ultrawide. Was this one comes with a built-in speakers, which is like for this case, I'll be connecting my MacBook to use for editing, and if I want to listen to music or anything, I don't have to plug in extra cables to set up a speaker. Right there, it's in there. But let's see if it's gonna work. So I can't find the specs page, but I think Linux, I'll put the video up so that you guys can see it. He did a thorough review between that and the Dell, so you guys can check out his videos for more featured and detailed review, because of course it's better than me. I watched that video, finally choose the right one, buy it. So if you guys want to buy either of those and drop this kind of money, highly recommend watch his video and then go for it. This is just a regular unboxing, you know, I'm not an expert in unboxing or going through the details. I watched all the details and stuff, I can't remember, but at the time of watching I did see that it's kind of meeting my criteria, and which is for editing, and on a widescreen. So rough. We can do some I can show you guys some thorough reviews. I did just check out, can you guys see me in the camera? I don't even know. It's just crazy, dude. Look how big it is. This is nuts. Alright, let's see if we can zoom out. It's not even letting me zoom out. What the hell? Alright, we apparently can't zoom out. I'm gonna play some copyright-free music so I don't get demonetized. Look how loud the volume gets. This is crazy. I guess the only downside of this speakers is every time you want to lower it down, you gotta reach in the back. That's the only downside that I see so far that I've discovered. I will be making more videos. Amazing quality in my opinion. We can even test out a 4K video, see how it is. As far as I know, this is not a 4K, as far as I know. But it does produce 1080p at 60 frames per second, as far as I can remember. Once again, this is like the worst unboxing because I don't know the exact specs. I can look it up. Okay, so let's see. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. Contrast ratio is 1000 to 1, 700 to 1. Viewing angle is 178 degrees. Pretty good. All this I'm gonna put it up on the link down below. Also, aspect ratio is 32:9. That's good to know. The resolution for that is 5120 by 1440. I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching on this horrible unboxing video. I try to do my best, but I will be using this for my editing. I will also post another video of what it's like to edit on this ultra-wide using a MacBook Pro. Thank you for tuning in once again. The next video will be more detailed and my room renovation is almost done. Can't wait to show it to you guys. And if you did enjoy, please leave a like and smash it and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next episode here on Met-ers TV. Bye now!